How to send a mass text message with easy texting. To send a message, select the New Message option at the top left of your account. You will see the Enter Numbers, Contacts, or Groups area, where you can type in individual contacts manually or click on previously created groups to send your message to. You also have the option to add your company name to the message, but this is optional. Compose the rest of the message you wish to send, and then choose to either send now or schedule for later. You also have the option to make your message a recurring message by clicking the Make This a Repeating Message checkbox. When you're finished, click the Review Message button. If everything looks okay, go ahead and click Send Message. A notification will display ensuring your message was sent. You've now successfully sent a mass text message with easy texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.